Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm bringing you the daily crypto news. Today's article, it is Ex-Goldman Exec highlights bullish indicators and high upside for crypto markets. Who is this? Is this Raoul Paul? Former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Paul, says that the crypto markets have reached their relative price low and that the industry is positioning itself for another rally. Prior to founding macroeconomic and investment strategy research service Global Macro Investor in 2005, Powell co-managed the GLG Global Macro Fund in London for global asset management firm GLG Partners, which is now called Man GLG. Before that, Powell worked at Goldman Sachs, where he co-managed the European hedge fund sell business in equities and equity derivatives. Currently, he is the CEO of a finance and business video channel, Real Vision, which he co-founded in 2014. In the April 2020 issue of the GMI newsletter, Powell explained why he believes that Bitcoin, which he called the future, could one day have a $10 trillion valuation. In that issue, Powell said that the idea of a $10 trillion valuation for Bitcoin is not so crazy. After all, it isn't just a currency or even a store of value. It is an entirely trusted, verified, secure financial and accounting system of a digital value that can never be created outside of the cryptographic algorithm. It is nothing short of the future of our entire medium of exchange system and of money itself and the platform on which it operates. On April 12th, during an interview on episode 80 of the Leah Hilpern Show, Powell claimed that there were a number of potential catalysts and new developments in the crypto space to trigger another price rally. Powell predicted that the upside potential for crypto was high, while predicting that the market had already reached its relatively low price. Now, as reported by the Daily Hodl, Powell said the balance of probabilities is that we made the low last year, we retested, and the low this year, and I think the low is in. Powell noted a number of factors impacting the price of crypto, including the war between Russia and Ukraine, an 8.5% inflation in the United States, and the Federal Reserve raising interest rates. He said the influence of external forces had failed to push the crypto markets to a new price low, which he called a signal market that has found its bottom. Powell predicted that slow economic growth would be an upside catalyst for the crypto markets as investors flock to what he called a long duration assets that tend to do well in environments of low growth. He said such a situation could provide a spark for the crypto markets to ignite another rally, indicating that investors feared inflation more than price volatility. Powell also claimed that Bitcoin's historic 4-year cycle based upon halvings events were likely over. He argued that the crypto market has grown and matured past the point of Bitcoin being the dominant force, noting that massive user base was working to reduce overall volatility. So that's his thoughts on it. He says we could see another uptrend rally. Like, we reached our lows, we saw it last year, we're living it now, and then just the stuff going on in the business and the world is really just, how do I say that? It's like we're ready to start a rise again. So yeah, this is kind of a speculative article from Raw Paul, but he is a very smart man. Like, if you have time to listen to some of his earlier talks on Bitcoin, he's into Ethereum now, give it a listen. I really recommend it because he's definitely got some good insights to pay attention to when you're trying to follow the market and what's going on with everything. So yeah, very good article, very good thoughts. If you guys thought so too, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat, share this video with your friends so everyone just stay up to date and educated on what's going on in that crypto world. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.